Security stakeholders believed that access to hard drugs by criminal elements will continue to fuel insecurity in the country. In ensuring that the access to these drugs are cut off, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency said it has over time recorded successes against the menace. At this Inter-Ministerial Committee on Drug Control meeting in Abuja, the federal government, through the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and the Ndlea Chairman, Brigadier General Buba Marwa, believes that the Ndlea Amendment Act will be a catalyst for the agency in the ongoing drug war.
We are at the last lap of finalizing the amendment of the Ndlea Act, which will significantly enhance the organizational capability of the agency to control the menace of substance abuse and illicit drug trafficking in Nigeria.
I can confirm that we have collectively made commendable progress on the fourth National Action Plan in comparison with previous iterations. Under the supply reduction pillar, our operational efforts and strategic offensives led to the arrest of 31,334 drug offenders, of whom 6,839 were convicted.
Marwa lauded state governments that have established their own drug control committees and civil society organizations at community level to ensure more holistic outcomes.
Notably, the drug prevention, treatment, and care training for the spouses of state governors offered a viable platform for first ladies who also serve as chairperson of the state drug control committees to employ a systems-oriented, community-based approach to address complex drug-related issues across states.
Ndlea says by fostering international cooperation and building strong partnerships, the agency has sustained the fight with renewed energy and vigor. From Abuja, Terna, ITV News.